racing our GT3 cars at Silverstone. Coming up next on Monster Hobbies Slot Car Racing. Hello once again, slot car racing fans. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Slot Car Racing right down here at Monster Hobbies. And tonight we are racing our great GT3 cars at Silverstone. And if you would like to build this amazing UK track, don't forget to check out how it's all done at our masterclass over on Patreon. It's easy to become a patron. All you need to do is click that link down below in the description and it'll tell you all about it. And then you can scroll through our thousands of slot car track racing, track building videos, as well as some other things coming up in the future. So, stay tuned to the end of the video where I will be doing a giveaway contest. Actually, I'll be describing the rules of the giveaway contest for this great Carrera tow truck that I'm waiting around here. All we want to do is get 5,000 subscribers to our Madcap Romanian channel. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends and family. Pound that little red notification bell that's down there so that every time I make a new video, you are the first one to know about it. So before we begin with our race, I just want to ask you a simple question. You can leave it down in the comments below. Out of all the GT3 cars we are racing, which one is your favorite? The Ferraris, the Fords, the BMWs, the Mercedes, you name it, I'd like to know. So, without further ado, let's go down to the races. So we got 3 drivers tonight, 50% of our group. I don't know what happens to the other 50%. Currently it's lap 6. Kevin, myself, and Glenn. Who was it first? When this week was Kevin, myself, and Glenn. 45 seconds remaining.
I am not here. Well, yeah, that's probably it.
And here's our standings at the end of the race. We only had 3 people. So I got 36. Josh was not here. Howard was not here. Kevin got 54. Mark was not here. Glenn got 62. And Ellen and Craig were also not here. So let's see how that changes our standings. Now here's our overall league standings. Josh is still in first place with 237. Kevin is second with 210. I'm in third with 199. Glenn is fourth with 192. Howard is fifth with 158. Mark is in sixth with 79. Craig is still in seventh with 40. And Alan is in eighth with 26. And wasn't that an amazing race? And congratulations to the guy who won first. And the people that are in the top tiers of the league so far. So next week we will be in Belgium at Spa. And it'll be a really good race with more GT action. And again, which one of these cars is your favorite? Let us know in the description down below. And if you want to build this amazing track, because you liked how much fun we had down here, then don't forget to check it out on our Patreon account just by clicking that link down below. And it'll tell you everything you need to do to become a patron and unlock all these amazing tracks. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends and family. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, we are going to be giving away this amazing Carrera tow truck. It's got a tailgate that drops down. You can hook up any car to it, except the Formula 1s because of the long noses. The lights flash, the horn goes beep. It is really a cool thing. And I know that somebody out there would like to get this, and I'd like to give it away. We've been trying to give this thing away since February. It's what we want to do is we want to get 5,000 subscribers over on the Madcap Romanian channel. The link will come up here somewhere for this contest. All the rules, of course, for this contest are on that link in the description, and our masterclass will be down here somewhere. But anyway, we've been trying to do this since February. The goal to 5,000 subscribers was more of a longer stretch than I thought it would have been. We started with 3,200 subscribers, and we were at 4,061 as of the making of this video. So I just need 840 more people to subscribe and get into this contest, and then we can randomly pick the winner, and I can mail this thing out finally give it away and maybe get into our next giveaway somehow or whatever. I don't know. That was a long time. It's still a long time. So come on, tell all your friends and family about it and join our contest for the giveaway. And next week we'll be at Spa. So for this week, I'll sign off and say thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing.